What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your oral hygiene routine. This is the Marchpower Electric 2-in-1 Toothbrush with Water Flosser. This device combines brushing and flossing into a single device, making your morning and evening routines simpler and more efficient. In this video, we'll go over the features, the specs, and determine if it's something that I'd recommend for you to use. Now, when you're unboxing this, what you can expect to find in the box is the main unit itself, 3 toothbrush heads, a water flosser nozzle, a USB-C charging cable, and a travel pouch. Now the first thing that I noticed is that the handle, it's a lot bulkier than standard electric toothbrushes, and that's likely due to the integrated water flosser and built-in 110mm water tank. Now from a design perspective, the toothbrush is sleek, but the size might be a consideration for those with smaller hands. Okay, so really quickly, let's talk about some of the features. The toothbrush offers 3 brushing modes: powerful, standard, and massage, with vibrations of up to 40,000 times per minute. The water flosser also provides 3 pressure settings ranging from gentle all the way up to strong. This combination aims to enhance cleaning efficiency by up to 40 times compared to regular brushing alone, according to the research I've done. Now the device is IPX7 waterproof, so it is safe to use in the shower. And when it comes to charging, it's super convenient with a USB-C port and a little charging dock. And then a full charge gives you up to 20 days of all-time use. Now when it comes to using the toothbrush, it is straightforward. All you have to do is attach the brush head, fill the water tank, and then select your desired mode. The water floss activates through a nozzle in the brush head, allowing simultaneous brushing and flossing, which is something that's unique and something that I appreciate. Because who has time to do flossing and then brushing? This just makes it easier by allowing you to do all of that in one go. Now one thing to note is that the 110ml water tank may require refilling during use, especially if you're someone who prefers longer flossing sessions, or someone who just brushes for a long period of time. Now what's nice about this toothbrush is that it is customizable. If you're someone who doesn't like to floss and brush at the same time, you can simply just use the brushing features and not use the flossing features at the same time. And then if you don't want to go through the hassle of removing the water reservoir to refill it, you can just use the included water hose to connect the toothbrush and feed water from the disconnected reservoir, making it easier to refill on the go. Now I've been using the Marchpower 2-in-1 for a couple of weeks now, and I've found that the brushing function is very effective, though the vibration intensity is slightly less than some of those more premium brands. The water flosser also works well, effectively removing food particles between my teeth. However, the combined unit's size makes it a little less comfortable to hold for extended periods of time. Now really quickly, let's talk about some of the pros and some of the cons for this electric toothbrush. First, let's start with the pros. It's got a very affordable price point. Coming in at around $80 with an instant $30 off coupon, this is a reasonably priced electric toothbrush that works great at only $50. It's also got a convenient 2-in-1 design, which makes your morning and evening routines so much more efficient. In addition to that, you've got pretty good battery life. One charge will literally last you up to 20 days. Next, I also think it's a very effective water flosser. It's powerful enough to get rid of anything between your teeth. Now from a cons perspective, I do think the bulkier handle may not suit everyone because it can be a little big for smaller hands. In addition to that, the brushing intensity could be higher just to be more effective. And then finally, I do love the charging base, but the custom charging base, if lost, could be problematic because that is the only way to charge this device. You can't plug it directly into the toothbrush without using the charging base. Now, compared to other electric toothbrushes, the Marchpower 2-in-1 stands out for its integrated water flosser. While some high-end models offer more powerful vibrations and smart features, they do come at a higher price and require separate devices for flossing. Now overall, when I was looking at the different options available, the customer feedback for this particular toothbrush was generally very positive. Most people who bought this toothbrush appreciate the convenience and effectiveness of the 2-in-1 design, though some do mention that the handle's bulkiness and the need for frequent water refills can be a hassle, which I would tend to agree with. So, in conclusion, the Marchpower Electric 2-in-1 Toothbrush with Water Flosser offers a convenient and affordable solution for those looking to streamline their oral care routine. While it had some design considerations, its performance and price make it a compelling option. If you're someone who doesn't mind a bulkier handle, then this toothbrush is definitely the one I would choose. Now, if you're interested in trying this toothbrush out for yourself, check out my link in the description section below. Please also don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing this video, and hit that notification bell if you're interested in more reviews like this in the future. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.